when you go back, everybody will remember how they are eating both breakfast, dinner, and lunch. So we are many in the house. Many in number, uncountable.
Madonna ka na this family. We count now. How many people?
There are 10.
In their house. How are they even 10?
Okay. The both Uncle and the wife, Ifi, Naza, Ugo, Kosi, Somto, Esther, Promise, and the other Ugo.
10.
Uncle Sam, Casey, and Joy. That's 13.
13.
Then Olive and
And Sifi and Ibia is 16.
Yes,
I can't tell you. There's many here now. 16 that side.
16 that side.
Auntie and Uncle Amici and Auntie Fee, Auntie Chi, that's so. Go see there.
Kamsi and they have eaten, yeah.
Auntie Chika, Chika, Auntie Grace 4, 5, Mrs. 7.
That's all.
That's all.
So 7 plus what?
7 plus 16.
20.
24, Abby?
23.
23.
It goes Sunday.
24.
24. Madre mia.
This small house.
24 people that will eat these pancakes. Ngwachika, come and count the pancakes.
One by one. Plus this one.
Only 25.
25.
Mine is not here now. Okay, my mom. Oh, Mom said veloted my mom.
Wash my hands.
Wash your hands, can come and count. Let's know how to share. Some people will eat 1.5 today.
So, because the Akamu speak, yeah? At the beginning, we start small. Today is kind of low. Until you're sure that the Akamu has taken the hot water. You pour it inside, it will shock the Akamu. And it will form lumps. But what is going on today?
Happier.
Bring your father's plate.
Bring sugar for the rest. Wow, ojo panguti. Ojo panguti. Wow. Ojo panguti. Nata pancake ndocha. Mwa okpa and tea. Water go. See correct okpa with tea. Balanced diet. A water go.
This one is a balanced food also.
How?
There is egg in it, milk in it, pepper, onions, and so and so forth.
And so forth. And over here.
This one.
No, this one.
Here, sugar, milk, pap, all of them turning together.
Balanced. Auntie Gray,
When you go back, everybody will remember how they are eating both to breakfast, dinner, and lunch. So we are many in the house. Many in number, uncountable.
Battalion.
The house is a big house.
With extensions.
With extensions.
One more. That's part of the joys of Christmas. You got to go?
Yes.
You can abacha?
Yes.
Sweet potato nke agbara agba. Nke hatawakwa aka ji. Gị mgbe ha mkpụrụ papaya. Ị chọrọ ịkọ ya? Nwaanyị ugbo. Nke a dịbe mma. Akọnkiri ka ị na-eghe. Auntie Grace, ka na abacha nekwe nke ju na pot ebe a. Because unless mo ibecha ya banye na mmiri for ndị na-ejezi agụ. Ndị na-ejezi agụ maọbụ mgbe ha eji bata. Ha ruo ebe a mkpawa isi ụka ha nwere ike na ebe a ndị hode. Ha nwere ike na ebe a ndị hode.
Ha bata agụ ya eji.
Mma. Oh. Ejekwazi. Mix it with hot water. Oh, okay, Deba. Then cup, come with. Because what work are you? Go way back to room temperature. If you use cold water to mix it or cool water to mix it, the hot water will not be enough. Or they go okay. Hey, start putting it in a freezer, eh? Don't stop putting it inside the freezer. It's blocked. When you're outside. When why now why n'izizi. Wepụ aka. Auntie Grace turn us na. Just no lo febe na agbanye. Okay. Gwa turn ba. Ji nwa Auntie Grace, ji nwa. Iwe ya re we ya n'aka. I should do Pokemon. Be the best. Grace, you want it?
Akamu, I thought you
Who's the go? You want your meat too much. I don't need on this. What I feel like I could put another media. You want your meat too much. Whatever.
Now, morning, me try up with season.
The way go the aside, the obas and a tikwa. Yeah, you come money by prevention than cure.
Did you know couldn't hear?
Oh, yeah, Tonya, half you. June one okay, I can you. If you name have seen before.
How many years? I'm not going more than 5 years.
Source of 5 years.
I'm not going more than 5 years. So I was going to be more fun. And I go from school.
If you can't the ticket than you couldn't. Mix here with
one boy, no, I say, Kate, I want you to me, and I don't know.
Ngwa bia kunye no ha. Kedu
Thursday night.